Yo, it's Cleats, man. You may think I sound a bit like sad today. Like, basically, Dave, really tragic news, man. My staff bit him on the leg there, like, earlier on, man. And like, well, he's in hospital at the moment, and it's a bad cut he's got in his leg and everything. He needed like a stitch and everything, man. Seriously, you know, some really bad news to tell you and everything. Like, I think he might be dying.
Hey, yo, can't smoke weed in here, mate.
No, you can't smoke weed in here. It's a hospital. Can you just lay down while we sort your wounds, please?
Yes, man, hey.
Please, sit down. Thank you.
Earthy, man.
Hello, sorry to interrupt you. Basically, your friend here is causing...
That's you, man.
He's causing trouble. You won't let us stitch him up. Look, I'm busy recording at the moment, yeah? Yeah. Just sort this guy out, please. What do you expect me to do about it, man? You're a doctor, man. I paid my tax. Oh, no, I didn't pay. My mum paid the taxes so you could do your job, man. Come on now.
Put me under and start doing that. Oh, man. Oh.
Hey, man. My dog's outside still. Yeah, my staffy. Oh, dear. Anyway, that was the somber news to tell you about my friend.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, it's gonna die.
Oh, it's such a pussy, Dave.